Hey everybody, it's John from KajabiWizard.com, and in this video we're going to be walking through Kajabi Pipelines. What are they? How do we use them? What are the different types of pipelines that are already built into Kajabi? And how can you get the most out of the pipelines in your account? All right, let's dive right in. If you haven't already set up your own Kajabi account, then we've got a special offer for you. You can get a free 28-day trial using our link, and we are an affiliate partner. All you have to do is go to kajabiwizard.com/free trial. That's kajabiwizard.com/free trial. With this, you're going to get 28 days free with Kajabi. You're going to get tons of free trainings from Kajabi about how to make money within those first 28 days using Kajabi. And if you sign up with our special link, you're also going to get access to our 30K launch library. This is a special set of materials that we use to do our first 30K launch. We did 30K in a month, we did 30K the next month, we did 30K the next month. Within this launch library, you're going to get all the resources we used and all the materials we used to actually make that launch happen. So everything from the sales page copy, the landing page copy, the actual emails that we put into the pipeline, the webinar slides from that webinar. You're going to get all of that stuff when you sign up using our affiliate link. All you have to do is when you sign up, then email support@kajabiwizard.com and we'll send you the library absolutely free. All right, now let's get into our topic for the day. We're talking about pipelines. I'm logged in here to my Kajabi account. Pipelines are essentially like funnels, right? So it's essentially a collection of pages, offers, emails, events, etc., automations. Everything is kind of strung together in one place so that you can run a webinar or an evergreen webinar, or you could have a strategy session funnel. There's a lot you could do. You could even sell a book. You could do a tripwire. You could do simple lead magnets that then have an upsell. There's just an incredible amount of things you can do. But in general, most people are using pipelines to build and run their webinars. So that's what we're going to kind of talk about today. So within pipelines, you can see I have a lot of them. I'm going to just show you one example to get started, okay? Let's click on this CCA webinar. Okay, so this is a live webinar that we did not too long ago. And here are basically the steps. Now I want to tell you, we built this out of one of the basically webinar or one of the pipeline templates. It was the Zoom OVO template. All right, so we uploaded the template, we installed the template, and then we just started to customize this pipeline for our webinar. Really simple but really powerful, starting with our registration page, right? So we have this nice customizable registration page that's already built into the pipeline. I can change this stuff around. I can change the countdown here based on when my webinar is going to be. Nice calls to action, nice footer. That's really all you need from a nice looking and a well converting or high converting registration page, right? Now, next step in our pipeline, really important, is the event. So when you're doing like a live webinar, you want to make sure you have an event that's associated with your pipeline here. So that's exactly what we did. Now, why is that important? It's important because all these emails are going to go out around the time of the webinar, leading up to the webinar, even 15 minutes before it. And then, of course, after. These are the emails that are going to be basically creating sales for you and encouraging people to join your program all the way up until the point where the doors close or your cart is closed. These emails are absolutely essential, right? So again, we have the actual event. You could repeat this event if you like. You just turn this on. You can have it repeat every 15 minutes. If you want to put this on evergreen, all I have to do is click that, make it repeat every 15 minutes, and boom, I have an evergreen webinar funnel. Very simple, right? It even comes with a lot of these emails pre-written, right, and written out. Otherwise, you know how much work it really takes to go in and write all of these emails, okay? So there's that first part. People register for the webinar, sends them to the confirmation page. Not a whole lot to see here, but simple page just telling them, hey, you made it this far. If you were to do something like Facebook retargeting ads, then you could use this page to figure out your retargeting audience. So for instance, you use the pixel and install that into your Kajabi pages, and you might want to run ads to people that have, let's say, seen the registration page but didn't see the confirmation page, meaning they didn't register. Or you might want to say, remove people who have seen the confirmation page. Very simple way to do some retargeting there. All right. So they've confirmed, and then the day of the event, what we're going to do is we're basically going to just send them a Zoom link so they can watch the webinar live. They can attend the webinar live on Zoom with us. So that part is not connected to Kajabi necessarily, but they attend the webinar, they ask questions, you sell your program, etc., and then you immediately upload a recording right here. So you upload a recording of your live webinar here into this page, and you're good to go. Nice call to action that then goes to the next step in your pipeline, which is just simply your sales page, right? Really nice sales page templates already built into Kajabi, so what's not to love about that? Nice colors, calls to action. It's very easy to edit these pages on the fly. Throw in testimonials, right? Your pricing, everything. It's just very, very easy to be building. Frequently asked questions section. This is an extremely important section, right? You're going to be building it with these little kind of widgets over here, these sections over here. And obviously, if you want to add a new section, it's very easy. You can see, just click Add Section, and then you have all these wonderful options to put into your page. You can even do Facebook comments. If you have people commenting about your product, you can do live Facebook comments there. Or they can pull those. Image gallery, YouTube live, your offers, a showcase, slideshow, pricing options. I mean, there's pretty much anything you need is going to be here. All you have to do is click it, click add, and then boom, it's on your page. What's not to love about that, right? Moving along, then we have our offer. You have to associate an offer with your sales page, basically. So what you're going to do is you're going to go in, you're going to create the offer, and then when they buy the offer, it says included products. We're just going to add the product here to the offer so that when they buy the offer, they immediately get access to this product. If you want to do an upsell, you add it here. Very simple, very effective. Cart abandonment. So they're going to send an email reminder if they've put in, let's say, their email and stuff, but didn't check out. It's going to send them an email 1 hour later. Even more within this pipeline, we have an automation. So we have an automation set up to where when they purchase this offer, they're going to get a welcome email that says welcome to CCA and everything you need to know. You can also set up a nice set of onboarding emails that go out over the next 1 week or the next 5 weeks or however long you'd like. So really nice to be able to set up these automations here. Let's go back to pipeline overview, and this is basically, again, the view you're going to see from this pipeline overview. If you want to add a page, you add a page here. You can add pretty much anything. Now, something that's extremely important to know is that here you have one of my favorite features of Kajabi, which is the View Stats section. All I'm going to do is click that, and it's going to bring up my stats. These stats are so important, right? Because these are basically your launch numbers. I really focus on these numbers down here, okay? So with my registration page, for instance, I had 1,638 people view it, 318 people opt in at a 19% conversion rate. I'd say around 20% is average. For a lot of my other launches, I have higher than that, 30, 39%, even 40, etc. You can see basically out of all those people who made it through the rest of the pipeline or the rest of the funnel, how many people looked at the sales page, how many people actually purchased. The only tricky thing is here, we had 2 different offers. One offer was to pay in full, which is this one here. One offer was to pay in installments. So this is not totally reflective of the outcome of this launch because we had maybe 15 or 20 people take the installments option. So right now with Kajabi, there's not a way to integrate that. You can only do one offer attached to this pipeline. But so you just have to kind of know those numbers elsewhere and add those up if you want to know your total sales for this particular launch. Anyway, that's still a great feature of Kajabi. I love being able to see those numbers there. If I didn't already mention this, then this is basically the Kajabi version of ClickFunnels, right? These are basically what I would consider funnels. Really quick here to wrap up, let's look at, when we click on new pipeline up here, what kinds of pipelines are actually options within Kajabi? Well, you've got a lot, right? You've got all the new options up here, and then you've got legacy pipelines down here. Let's start with the legacy ones, right? So we have everything from a live event pipeline, and you can click on this, and it's going to show you basically a map of what it is. This is all it is email capture and offer checkout. Virtual summit. It's a little more complicated, right? Promotional offer or a free report, right? Something simple like this for a lead magnet, very simple. And then again here, you're going to see some more complex pipeline templates. Again, this Zoom webinar OVO template is exactly what we use for our recent launch, and it worked perfectly. You got your registration page, confirmation, emails going out before and after the event, and then sales page and checkout, right? So to install that, you just click create pipeline and you're good to go. That thing is almost ready to go. You just got to put in your copy, write your emails, etc. If you're doing a free book, very simple here. Again, opt-in, checkout, and then 10 emails, right? So to basically warm up your new lead by giving them a free book. And of course, you can build them with just blank. You can do a blank template and build it out from there. Product launch, OVO pipeline. And again, these little tutorial videos here that tell you a bit more about the actual pipeline. So I just love this section. I love what they've done with it. They updated this just not too long ago, within the past year or so. And these pipeline templates are great, and they keep coming out with more of them. They're just it's a really powerful head start when you're building this stuff as an online entrepreneur, especially if you haven't done it before. So to sum it up, pipelines are basically funnels. It's kind of the ClickFunnels version of Kajabi, or the ClickFunnels feature within Kajabi. It's built, it's pre-built, it's all you need. Everything is in one place, which is really why you use Kajabi, to have everything in one place and to make your life a lot easier. Again, if you want to make your life easier, I highly recommend you sign up for a free trial of Kajabi, see if you like it, learn the platform, and I really think you're going to not only like it, but love it. If you enjoyed this video, sign up with our affiliate link. It's kajabiwizard.com/free trial. When you sign up with that link, you're going to get a 28-day free trial, a bunch of free Kajabi resources, and then you're going to get access to our 30K launch library. That's all the materials that I used for our first 30K launch. Really powerful stuff. Like I mentioned, sales page, webinar slides, landing page copy, and even the exact emails that were in our funnel at that time. You're going to get all that stuff for free. All you have to do is, after you sign up, just shoot over an email to support@kajabiwizard.com. Other than that, I hope you have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you get started with Kajabi soon. I hope you learned a lot here. Let me know in the comments how it's going for you with Kajabi. What other questions do you have about pipelines? And otherwise, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and check out more videos in this channel while you're here. All right, good luck. See you really soon.